You know, it's been a while since we chatted, guys, and for that, I'm sorry, but the grilling dude is back. Doing some GLP-1 videos here. Now, for me, grilling can be outside, on the stove, in the oven, whatever. Today, I'm making steak bites. They are the bomb. And I'm not talking about taking a ribeye that's going to cost me 30 bucks for two, maybe three if I find it on sale. I'm talking about using good old-fashioned stew meat, lean, pre-cut, because the trick is the tenderizer and how long you cook it for. We're going to bring these in between 130 and 135 in an air fryer of all things, and we're going to make some cowboy butter, but we're going to put some dude dust. It's my own product that I'm working on top of our steak bites before we throw it in to the air fryer. 7 minutes, 350 degrees. All right, you guys ready for this? Let's do it. Take as much as you want, doesn't matter. Whatever you feel like you need. We're going to add a little bit of EVOO on top. That's going to act as our binder. Give it a good stir. Make sure that EVO gets all over that meat because that's what's going to bind our dude dust to it. Let's add some of our dude dust. This is my homemade product. I'm thinking about making my own here, maybe selling it. I don't know. Mix it up real good. Make sure that we get a good coat. Add some more if we need to. Yep, we're gonna need some more. Let's put some in. Mix it up. Perfect. Looking good. Now we're gonna use the air fryer, so we're gonna put it on the bottom of that air fryer container. We're gonna space it out a little bit. That way we can get the air coming up from the bottom, the heat, make sure that the bottoms are cooked pretty well.
I'm in the middle of something.
That looks perfect. I'm gonna put it into the air fryer. And we're gonna set this air fryer for 7 minutes. There we go. Perfect, and our temp is gonna be 350 degrees. Engage. All right, so let's make our cowboy butter. We're taking a whole stick of butter and a few cloves of garlic. Medium pan, medium heat. Gonna add in some parsley flakes, some Dijon mustard, a little bit of paprika, some red chili flakes, a little bit of chili powder, not much, that goes a long ways. Give it a good stir, mixing that stuff together. Fuse those flavors together. We're gonna add some kosher salt. You put in as much as you need. This is about right for me. We're gonna add in some black pepper, stir it up again. Now we're on medium heat, so that stuff's just gonna fuse together. All right, let's check our temp. This is the end result on those steak bites. Man, look at these. And we're talking stew meat that's tender? You're kidding me. What? Look at that. Already starting to set up a little bit. That's okay. But here's some good looking stuff right there. And all it has on it is some dude dust. Let's try this one out. All right, here it is. So tender, juicy, full of flavor. That's what I love about stew meat. If you do it right, the stew meat is gonna treat you well. All right, so let's dip it in our cowboy butter and see how it tastes. All right, here it is. Immediately get that garlic, I get that butter taste. Steak and butter go together so well. Get a little bit of red pepper flake. Just all these seasonings that we put in there just come together. All right, guys, so there you go. That's how you make steak bites. I want to put the recipe down below, but let me tell you something. The grilling dude is back. I'm on a GLP-1 journey, got a little fat over the last couple years. So follow me on this journey as we cook both inside and outside GLP protein recipes mainly, because that's the big thing right now. that shot just helps you. And let me tell you, by the way, the shot, it is such a small gauge needle. It doesn't hurt unless your wife's pissed at you. That one stung once, but that was on me, right? So anyhow, follow me on my journey. This is video number 1. We're gonna make eggs, we're gonna make bacon, we're gonna make dinners, lunches, breakfast, you name it. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Grilling Dude out, but we'll be back.